Hello, welcome to my store. Today I recommend a very useful product to you. This is multi-purpose latch. This is a tool that can stop your children to open the door, and it is also very easy to let us to open it. Like it's okay. So it can protect children, right? Okay, so let's look at the product details. The package is very strong and professional, right? And here is the installation method, right? Then we also use 3M, right? This is a package of this product. So follow me and we look at this product closely, okay? Yes, it looks very professional, right? And it's also very beautiful, right? Open it, yes, close it, not let children open it, yes.